Actually, sir, I'm an agriculture and biosystems engineer. So primarily, we are developing technologies that will help our farmers. So, innovate namin yung technologies nila. So, para ma-increase ang capacity or efficiency without affecting the quality. For example, sir, sa coconut, ang pinaka-problem na, sir, is wala na tayong mga coconut climbers. Kasi, sir, medyo mataas ang requirement to become a coconut climber.
Hmm,
It takes years of decade of experience. Mismo ako nga hindi nga ako makakit ng
ako din naman sir, ako din
needs
naman.
siya ng skills,
Yes.
kasi medyo hazardous siya na trabaho. So, meron kaming partner, Coco Link and Franklin Baker, nag-introduce sila ng technology na from India, yung coconut climber nila. So, nag-import sila. So, ang problem nun, sir, is mahal. 20,000 plus shipping fee. And then, aside from that, taas, mabigat. Hindi siya pang Filipino na climber. So, that's why we propose a proposal together with our partners na to invent a technology ito, sir, yung coconut climber namin. Minodify namin, sir, yung material saka yung mechanisms na aangkop sa climate or yung environmental setting ng Philippines.
Hmm,
So, bring na namin yung cost, siguro half siya nag-cost.
hmm.
So, we are now in doing the license agreement with our partner para ma-commercialize na siya.